Yeah, hey, it's a beautiful day out, sunny out. It's been really chill in Nairobi, but right now it's starting now. What we're shooting today, this footage is about switching your MS250. Comes standard with a 3/8 chain, 14 inches gauge bar, from 1.3. This is a 1.3 gauge. This is 50 gauge. I'm switching this from a 3/8 to a 3 to 5 and a 3 to 5 chain as well. So what you need is this part number is a 1123 1032. This is a 3 to 5 7 sprocket, 7 tooth sprocket. This doesn't come. It's not run by spar. It's run by a Rim Sprocket, and it's got the locking and the keepers as well. So this is it. Your guide bar. This here is a 63 gauge. It's different from the one that comes standard on the 250. It's a 3 to 5, and the chain as well. It's a RS26. This means that it's a rapid super, 3 to 5, 16 inches, 62 drive links, 1.6 millimeters. This is a 63 gauge. So what I'm going to do next is disassemble this 250. Show you how to put on a new unit and discard the old one. Because what we have standard on the 250 is a spar running. The kind of drum that this runs is a spar one, and we are trying to get a different one which runs a Rim Sprocket on the rear. It's a much better setup, anyways. So out with the old and in with the new. The next thing will be to pop the. This is the E-clip, the washer, the drum, and the repeater of this in reverse, and to install the new one now. So this is just. I need a leverage. Just like that, and we're out. The washer. And the keys. Yes. Therefore, after you're done with the drum, you're left with your needle cage bearing and the clutch. Now there is a huge point of interest that you need to pay attention to. The oil pump is running. There's a tongue on the end. This lining mark. This is a timing mark for or maybe a reference point for your oil pump. On the new one now, what will be running from the spar, there's one as well. You need to align this with the oil pump. So how to do that? So you have to be really gentle about it and slide it in. I missed it. I'm gonna get it now. It's not yet in. So you just need to pull it out, then you're in. Followed by the rim sprocket, the washer, and the E-clip. So you just press this in, and you'll be running your rim sprocket style drum with the 3 to 5 and 3 to 5 chain. It's really easy. It's a pretty setup. This is a demo unit, therefore I can also say this is for the illustration purposes to one of the clients. So that's about it. It's really easy. Alright, well, that's about it, and it's a pleasure to have you around and be watching this and keep up with the channel and suggest anything that you'd like to maybe see. Because I'm at a privileged point where I'm working in a dealership, as the dealership is a staff that can get answers for you. Yeah, pleasant time. Yeah, bye.